All right, welcome to I Can Doodle. We're going to go ahead and draw a simple armor of God illustration. So let's go ahead and start with the belt. You're going to draw a little box down here, just like so. And then you're going to bring across the strap for the belt on the right side, close it in, then the same on the left. Good. Now we get to write in here the belt of truth. Have your loins girt about with truth. Good. All right, let's finish out his cloak while we're down here. It'll finish out on both sides and then make them meet at the bottom. And there we go. Awesome. Let's go ahead and do the breastplate of righteousness. Start on the left side. You're going to go inward a little, then out. Same here, in a little, then out at the top. Good. A little bit of bow on the shoulder, then the other shoulder. Nice. A little divot for the neck. Now, a little bit of a reflection for effect's sake. There we go. And righteousness. The breastplate of righteousness. Awesome. All right, next we're going to draw the feet or the shoes. There we go. And your feet shod with the preparation of the gospel of peace. So we're going to make like a V and then 2 lines on each side. Let's draw the left boot and then back down for the right. Good. A little bit of a line to define the different boots. And the gospel of peace. Very nice. Now let's draw the shield of faith. Start up here to the left of the head. Going to draw these 2 arches. And then from the bottom up towards those 2 lines to make the shield. Now let's draw the inside of the shield, almost like a duplication of the outside, just to kind of get it depth. All right, copy that angle on the left, and then the same on the right. Great. Now we're going to draw a cross in the middle, but follow along. We're going to do the left up like this, then down, not quite to the middle, leave enough space for the cross. Then the same on the right after you have the space of the cross. Just like so. And you'll see the cross take shape here in a second. There we go. And connect that. A little thicker, there we go. All right, and then the same on the right side. Kind of like a weird shaped triangle. There we go. And there's the cross. And we'll draw faith in here. The shield of faith. Very nice. Let's go ahead and draw his arm there connected. There we go. Good. Well, let's go ahead and draw his face. For the helmet of salvation to go on, you have to have a face. So let's start down here and draw like a U shape for his face. Don't quite connect it to the armor. Very good. Let's draw his eyeballs. 2 circles, obviously, I like doing a little bit of a reflection on the eyeballs. There we go. And a nose and a mouth. A little bit of a U, and then a smiling face. There you go. I'm going to drop down for the helmet. I'm going to drop down just like this in the middle for the helmet of salvation. Bring it back over. You can connect it, and then I'm going to actually push it over a little bit more. There we go. For the helmet to be over top of his head. There we go. And then connect it back at the top. All right, side guards for his ears. And the side of his head. There you go. All right. And connect his neck. Very nice. Let's go ahead and draw the top of the salvation helmet. Let's see. Let's do in the middle first. Do a little bit of a centerpiece, and then just below it, don't connect it to the top of it on either side, just let it stick out a little bit. And we said this is the helmet of salvation. SALVATION. I like that song. There we go. Great. And then the sword of the Spirit, which is the word of God. Let's go ahead and start with the handle over here. So drawing not quite a complete circle, but almost like a C. Then the top of the sword, and then the same on this side, a backwards C. Let's draw the fingers. There's one, then one below it a little bit bigger, but lower than it at an angle that you want the sword to look like. Just draw 4 fingers there, connect the sword, and then we're going to draw the thumb right down, right about here. Okay, let's go ahead and draw the rest of the handle. Bring it down like so, and then the base of the sword, like that, a little bit of a reflection. There we go. Yeah, very nice. Good. I'm going to draw this arm coming back up towards the sword. You know what? Let's draw the blade so we know where that arm comes through. Draw a point to draw 2. There's one side of the blade. And the other side. Draw a center line for the center blade. There we go. Very nice sword. All right. Now let's go ahead and write the Spirit, the sword of the Spirit, which is the word of God. Spirit. There we go. All right. Very nice. Now let's connect his arm in. Very nice. After you practice this a few times, you could do it on a dry erase board in front of the class. Legs here. There we go. Add some extra details along the way. A few reflection lines to kind of give it some detail. Around the boot. There we go. Around the belt. Nice. Breastplate. Give it a few extra lines for detail. Don't forget his eyebrows. There we go. Don't want to leave those off. Kind of looks weird without them. And there you have it. The armor of God. Hope you enjoyed this one. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.